Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to cut video in Clipchamp. If you've been searching for a way to trim and edit a video online for free, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To cut a video in Microsoft Clipchamp, first of all, open Clipchamp in your computer web browser or open the Clipchamp app. Log into your account if you have not already logged in. Once you are in Clipchamp, click on the Create a Video button to start a new project. Now, upload a video from your computer. I want to cut out this video and remove some parts. Drag and drop the uploaded video from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Move the vertical line with a handle to the point in the timeline where you want to make the cut. I want to split this video from here. Now, click on this split icon located above the timeline. This video is divided into two parts. Repeat this process to make multiple cuts if necessary. Now, click on the segment of the video that you want to remove. Press the delete key on your keyboard or right-click on the segment and select delete. By following these steps, you can easily cut and edit your video in Clipchamp to achieve the desired result.